Songs were awkward. Okay. So we're gonna put some biscuits down at the bottom. I'm gonna smush them down a little bit so they can all fit. Look at that. It's like making breakfast monkey bread. Okay. All right, then we're gonna take this butter. We're not fancy here. We're not doing clarified butter. We want all that fat up in there. All the fat. Gonna pour the butter. Ooh, hoo, hoo, hoo. It's like a fantasy of butter. I can't sing, so I'll do this. Okay, boom. So now we're gonna put some eggs up in here. Hey Ryan, I got a joke for you.
What's the joke?
Why did the chicken cross the road?
Oh no, I have no idea.
Cross.
Oh, I saw that one. I saw that little kid.
Thought that was the cutest thing ever.
That was good.
So this is like a carbolicious breakfast. This is something you could put together before you jump in the shower. Brunch, friends coming over, but you party the night before. I don't think this is enough eggs. We need some in this corner. Boom, boom, boom. All right, we're gonna put some over here. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, right in the middle. Oh, one crack. Aww. Boom. Okay, then we're gonna add a little bit of garlic salt. Shake it across. Boom. We're gonna add a little onion pepper. Onion pepper. Onion and pepper, but this is onion pepper powder by itself. I'm gonna twist this up. Just gotta remember there's other stuff in here. Then we're gonna take some sausages. Sausages. You could have it diced up, ground up. As long as it's a sausage, it's fine. Oh, okay. All right.
Where's the accent from?
The accent is from the fact that I live in New York and it's multicultural, so it's everything everywhere. We don't pronunciate our words one by one because we don't want people in our business. So it's forget about it, whatever, you know, all one word. Then we're gonna sprinkle some cheese, please. Boom, 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 boom. Sprinkle. Sprinkle, sprinkle. I think we're gonna douse this in some cheese because why not? Everything tastes better with cheese. Awesome sauce. I'm gonna get that on the side. My sprinkle skills are phenomenal. All right, all right, all right. Okay, then we have some bacon bits. We'll sprinkle a little bit of this on here. A little bit more. Ah, forget it. Let's do it all. Let's do all the bacon. All the bacon. This probably tastes good with potatoes on the bottom too. Just like this. Okay. So we're gonna put this in the oven. Since they're not frozen, I suggest those as well if you need to. Some frozen biscuits, but being that we're not doing that, and it's kind of deep dish, I'm gonna stick this in the oven for 30 minutes. 35 minutes on 350, and let's see how this comes out. Okay. Let's see, do we have any crunchies going on? A little light crunchy, a little light crunchy. So, as stated before, so for future reference, it took a little longer than what you expected, but it's okay because, you know, you learn from trial and error. So what I suggest is if you have to use the biscuits in the pan, in the can, that you utilize the biscuits, par cook them. So that way everything is not in the oven extremely long. So this is what we have here that looks so dope. So dope. And it rose. That was super awesome for it to do that. So we're gonna try this. Oh gosh. Excuse my hands. I know I look like I was baking a cake, but yeah, I did that. That's good. Don't forget, if you use the ones in a can, par-bake them first for about 10 minutes, if that, then add everything else. Bon appetit.